friends, welcome to my blog. How are you? I think that everything will be right and there will be no problem with you. And you can see today I am sitting on my roof, and it's my roof and I'm sitting here. And in this video I'll show you my roof and I'll talk about it, and there are many things I can see from my roof. So I'll also show those things. So let's get started and let's see what are the things. And I think that I would like to ask something to you. Do you are you interested? Definitely and certainly. We can use both the words definitely and certainly. And I think that you are interested. So let's get started and let's see. So first of all, I would like to show you this tree. You can see this is a tree, and this is visible properly. You can see, and there are many trees. Not so much, but you can imagine how much trees are there. And there are many greeneries also, but not here. They are very far from my roof, and but there are many greeneries. And you know that I belong from a rural area. Do you know the means of rural area? The urban area means there will be many cities and they will be a little developed, but in village area, in rural area, rural area means village area, and urban area means city area. So I belong from rural area, and so I know that you belong, but there will be many people, they belong from like many different areas. So I have told you, yes, I have told you about myself. And you can see behind me there are many things. There are many trees, many plants, and there's a girl. She is looking at me. Do you want to see? Yeah, really, if you want to see, then I would like to show you. So let's see. You can see she's a girl and she was looking at me, but now she is not looking at me and she was laughing at me. But she was smiling, not laughing. She was saying, but she was thinking good, that her ideas was not like, yeah, what am I doing? No, really. And now I would like to show you there are many plants. Yeah, there's a one plant, two plant, many plants are there, and many farms are also there. It's a one farm. Yeah, you can see it's a one farm. And here you can see I am on the higher. This is a high. It's a high roof and it's a lower roof. So I am on the higher roof, and it was that tree. Yeah, there are some fruits also. Yeah, I don't know about these fruits so much, but these fruits we can eat, and sometimes these fruits are used in cooking vegetables. So I know this thing about these fruits. And there are some flowers, and there are some flowers and plants. Not some, there are a few, not a little. We will not use the a little, we will say a few, because a little is used with the uncountable things, but a few is used with the countable things. So there are not so much flowers that we can't count, but we can count those flowers. So let's go towards those flowers. Where are those flowers and what type of flowers are they? Let's go. And I'm going, so I can you can see there are no, those flowers has been like closed. Now they are not like real. In real we see, no, has been closed. You can see there were many flowers. I'm not telling a lie, I'm telling truth. This was one, this is two, and there were many, but now there's no. And this is a plant of tulsi, and there's another plant of rose. There's a plant of rose, but here there's no rose. This is the thing. And now there's another plant of neem. So friends, now I am here. At that time I was there. Now I am here. You can see where I was at that time. Yeah, I was there at that time, but now I am here. And you can see these are some roofs. Not all are not mine. There are some people also, they have those roofs. All are not mine, you can understand. Yeah, really, I'm not so rich person. Yeah, I'm not so poor. I'm not so rich. You can understand my condition, my circumstances, and everything. And there are some greeneries also. There are some fields, and there are trees. There are mango tree, banana tree, and some orange tree also. Yeah, not here. They're like farmers don't grow orange, but there are a few plants. So now you can see there's a field of maize, and it's a fodder. Yeah, sometimes these are used for fodder. Maize, we can say maize is used for both food and fodder. we can understand there is a tree of banana, and this is a plant. This is a tree, not plant. This is a tree of jackfruit. Yeah, jackfruit means kathal. Yeah, I know that you know. Jackfruit means what? It's another person house. There here live many people, and I like coming on my roof. When I come here, I enjoy the fresh air, and I get many things after coming here. And I like also when I come here, I enjoy and I see lots of things. You can see here is water. What's this? It's a water because it had rained yesterday. That's why water is on this roof. So friends, now I'm sitting here and I have told you I am from rural area, and I want to ask to you, yeah, where do you live? Where do you live? Yeah, please, you will, I know that you will tell me in the comment section, and you will have to tell me. And I have said to you, where do you live? Then I can also say that from where. Yeah, from where are you? And I can also say this thing, where are you from? So like both the we can say both. Yeah, that was different, where do you live, but these both the sentences are equal. That are you from and from where are you. Have you understood? I think that you got it. And you can see I'm sitting here on this roof, where this roof a little dirty, not so much but a little, you can understand. And there are many roofs and I'm enjoying. I'm talking to you. You can learn English with me. Yeah, you can learn English with enjoy. Yeah, I think that. And you want to learn English, then please stay with me. You will speak like me. How am I speaking? Then you will speak. And now I would like to stand. Yeah, I would like to stand. I don't like sitting in this video. And I like to move. I like to walk. And this is, so now I'm here. You can see where am I am on the when I was first at that place I am. And now I think that I have shown you everything, and what are the things important, and I can show you. I have shown you, and we can I think that you have enjoyed. And if you were sad, now you are happy or not, tell me. Definitely you will be happy, because I am happy and I'm here for making you happy, and I'm here for that thing. You will learn English with me. Are you learning or not? Yeah, definitely you will learn, and you will notice that how am I speaking. If you will notice and if you will try, definitely you will be able to speak. So that's it. And if you like my video, so please share with your friends and do subscribe. And I think that you have enjoyed. So that's it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.